Good morning, everybody, and welcome to yet another session of Ignite Mind. Ignite Mind is something which we have a special session wherein we bring in the speakers, and this happens only on Friday as of now. So welcome to Brainciti. It is day 418 of Dubai and day 289 of India. I'm very happy to welcome you all on this platform. Let me give you a quick introduction. As of now, we are a member of 10,000 plus members community, putting all the programs what we have under this flag. We have Young Empowerment Talk, we have Mastermind, we have 50X Mastermind, we have Young Mastermind, we also have Entrepreneurs Mastermind, and then we have e-bookery show. So we have 300 plus young participants who are from age 9 to 20. We have mastermind participants who are from age 20 to 50. And then we have 50X mastermind who are aged 50 plus. With all their wisdoms, we are here set to launch our 50X mastermind. Counting and putting together all the students, we had students from 8 countries, at least one from every country. And we want to cross this from 1 digit 8 to at least 2 digit 25 in coming few months. We have already touched and stamped 550 trainings. This is not a sure number because putting together all the trainings in 5 a.m. Ignite Mind, this number would surely grow. This is our CEO, Faisal Ibrahim, and his co-founder, Yash. They are just ahead of the education sector, where the vision is to pioneer the online cohort education. These are our beautiful participants from the Mastermind program. All this began from empowerment talks, wherein we started bringing in famous personalities to our platform. And we had almost 200 episodes where we had special episodes where we had our favorite Shashi Tharoor and Jiveshu Anuwalia. We had special other members who have joined the community and then later joined part of Brainciti, which also is a great platform. If you are speaking in Ignite Mind, there is an opportunity to join a company which we have registered in Dubai. That was Rahul, and this is me. We are also looking forward for the famous trainer and coach, Farooq Sensei, who will soon be part of our platform. There's no host introduction, yes. Let me quickly inform you all. Today we have our favorite person who is the best friend of one of our favorite person. So thank you, Sudhi, for introducing us to Dr. Deepa. And it was my pleasure to see her in speaking in Mastermind program, which gave me like a vibe that we should get her for our Ignite Mind, because our Ignite Mind members should not lose on whatever information she had shared on the Mastermind program. So let me quickly introduce her to you. She is a medical practitioner in Ayurveda for past 14 years in various Ayurvedic dispensaries with 10,000 plus clients. She is the daughter of Dr. Radhakrishnan, a renowned senior government Ayurvedic doctor. She's a mother of, I think she had mentioned 2 child, I don't remember here, a generous lady with abundance in love and affection. She's settled in Mumbai, that is one of my hometown. So I'm so happy to invite you. Yes, her husband is Rakesh Rao and son Agney Rao. Agney is also one of the known name in our platform actually. But she runs her own YouTube channel, and the link for the channel is already distributed last evening. So I request everyone to show some love, go to her channel, subscribe, and put on some comments. Today, she'll be talking about Ayurvedic health, Ayurvedic helps and tips which we can use in our day-to-day life. Let's put our hands together and welcome Dr. Deepa Rao. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, one and all.
Good morning. You're shining after coming to 5 a.m.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Welcome, and over to you.
Okay. I'm very much happy to share my views of Ayurveda. I'm audible, no?
Yes, you're audible. You're looking fine. You relax,
Thank you.
Whenever it's time for you to leave, so you can just give me a hint, and I will conclude the session.
Okay. Sure. Okay. So I'm very happy today to here in the Brainciti family. So let us move to the topic because I think time is little bit a problem here. Okay. The main motive of Ayurveda is swastasya swastha rakshanam aturasya vikara prashanam cha. Okay. I want to share my slides also.
You can go ahead.
Okay. Is it?
This is live on YouTube, so you can.
Okay. Is it visible? No slides.
Yes, you can put it in the slide share presentation mode, maybe.
Slide share presentation mode.
I'm not sure if this is your slide. Yeah, I think this is your slide. Yes. It is showing the background a little bit. Okay, no worries. Take your time.
Okay.
You have opened this in Google Slides. Yeah. He's from Udupi.
Yeah. My base is from Udupi. We are and we have migrated to Kerala and we have settled in Kerala only. Okay, I will start here. The main motive of Ayurveda is to swastasya swastha rakshanam and aturasya vikara prashmanam, means it is like this. Ayurveda is on the preventional basis also. We can use the medicines and for this purpose also, for prevention of disease and for the treatment purpose also. So two motives are there. One inch.
It's okay, I think now.
Okay. Yeah. Today's topic, I'm dealing with dinacharya. Dinacharya means what all things we should be doing in our daily routine. I'm going to tell about the daily routine according to Ayurveda. So benefits of this dinacharya is by following these practices, we can just prevent the diseases. Already here, I have seen in this session, Sir Somashekhar sir has done the warm-up exercises and all. It is really very beneficial, because by doing following these exercises and warm up and joint movements every day in our life, we can prevent many diseases, because many of us are suffering from frozen shoulders, hormonal disorders, and many lifestyle disorders also. So we can prevent. Yeah.
1 second. Yeah, speak now.
Yeah, I'm audible.
Yes, better.
Okay, I think volume is less.
No, everything is perfect. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, no? Okay. Yes, samadosha, samagnisha, samadhatu malakriya, prasannatmendriya, mana, sostya, ityabhidiyade. The meaning of this sloka is, in our body, is mainly consist of three doshas: vata, pitta, and kapha. All of us are knowing that what are these three doshas, but I think I will just mention what are the symptoms if the vata, pitta, and kapha is increased in our body. If a vata is increased in our body, we will be having pain in our body, or overall this insomnia, means sleep disorders in our life, or cracking sounds in our joints and all, and skin itching will be there, dryness will be there. These are the main symptoms of vata. So many symptoms are there, but just I'm mentioning and moving on. And for pitta, it will be some acidity related disorders, or stomach related disorders, and liver related disorders. So you will be having a burning sensation and all. And in kapha, you will be having obesity in your body, or inactivity in your body, and headache will be there, sinus issues will be there. So many these are there. And agni means it is a digestive fire. The digestive fire is called as agni. And seven dhatus, sapta dhatus are there. They are rasa, rakta, mamsa, meda, asti, majja, and shukra. And trimalas, trimalas means the things which are waste from our body, that is purisha, mutra, and sweda. Indriyas, five sense organs are there, and mana, mind. So the normalcy of our body means that these three doshas will be in a normal form. Agni is in a normalcy, and saptadhatus will be working normal, and trimalas, these three waste products will be going out from our body, and five sense organs and mind. This entire thing is called as the normalcy in our body. Okay, today's topic I will be covering for 30 minutes, and last 10 minutes we have a doubt clearing session. So in Dinacharya, first thing is to getting up early in the morning. What are the benefits of why it is this much told in the Ayurveda? What are the importance of getting up early in the morning? At that time, the early morning means Brahma Muhurta. Brahma Muhurta is a time from 3:30 morning, 3:30 to 6 o'clock. So if we are getting up in that time, that at that time that Mahabhutas will be pure, it is the right time for Adhyayana. For many students, they are facing many problems with concentration, poor memory, loss of concentration and all. For those people also, and whoever want to do their activities with full concentration, they can wake up early in the morning at 3:30 to 4 o'clock, and they can do their work. It will be very easy by doing that work in that time. It will be we will be having more concentration at that time. And after that, we will face so much worries. Means whatever things if we are going to office and all, there also things will be not in a not in good form, means it will affect our daily routine and all. So by the morning time, it is the very good time for adhyana also. Availability of nascent oxygen, it stimulates some melatonin synthesis also. So late rise from the bed induces lethargic mood throughout the day. So if we are getting at early morning, we will be very active form. I think already Brainciti members are doing the same thing. And if we are getting up late after 6 o'clock or after 7 o'clock, the patients are getting so much kapha issues. Kapha problems means their body will be inactive. They will be facing issues like headache or obesity in their body, and sleep problems, because the proper time to sleep is at night time 10:30, and waking up early in the morning is a good habit. So if we don't want any health issues, it is better to get up in the early morning. Next is excretion of malas. If a person is waking up early morning, means the time between 3:30 to 6 o'clock, then those persons will not be having any problem with the constipation and all, because nowadays many people are suffering from the constipation issues or stomach related issues, gas, acidity and all. And if you are getting at the right time, we will not be having any problem or any blockages in our body. Next is Danta Davana. Danta Davana means brushing our teeth. The toothpaste contains many toxic substances, and so if we are using Ayurvedic churnas for brushing our teeth, especially it is made up of Ambra, Karanja, Bilua, Trikatu, etc., Tripala, Saindava, etc. The churna consists of these drugs will be having much effect in our mouth oral cavity. So it will increase the taste buds. It will increase the taste in our mouth only, and it is also helpful for the prana ropaka, for the ulcers and all also. In our Danta Davana churnas, those taste, that is kashaya, kadu, tikta, astringent, bitter and pungent taste should be there, because it helps us to increase the agni in our body. In Ayurveda, it is told that in our daily food habits, that 6 taste will be included. It helps to maintain our body and agni also, and all other digestive, all other functions also. So it is better to use this kapha reducing taste in our early morning for the brushing of our teeth. It increases the digestive fire. It is ruchikaraka, and also for the ulcer healings and for the healthy oral hygiene also. Next is Chikwa Nirlekana. It removes the dirt, bad smell and taste, produces better taste and cleanliness. Next is Gandusha and Kavlagraha. This Gandusha and Kavlagraha is a process of oil pulling. This oil pulling is that whatever liquid, means it will be oil, ghee or something, if we are keeping in our mouth, and two processes are there. One is Gandusha and Kavalagraha. In Gandusha, if we are holding that liquid, that oil or ghee in our mouth for some minutes, for some seconds, it is called as Gandusha. And in Kavalagraha, it is a process that if we are holding the liquid and we have doing movements inside the oral cavity, it is called as Kavalagraha. In Gandusha, it is just holding, and in Kavalagraha, it is just moving inside our oral cavity. It will prevent cracking and roughness of lips. It also decreases the dryness of mouth. Many patients will be coming to clinic and they are telling that they are having dryness in their mouth or bad breath, like that issues. And it is also good for diseases of teeth. and disorders of voice. Whoever are in the anchoring and all, they can also do this process daily, and it will be very helpful to them. And our children also, they are also getting affected with the oral issues and teeth issues and all. So for the prevention of these process, prevention of these diseases, the Gandusha and Kavalagraha should be practiced in a daily basis. Next is the importance of eye wash. By the process of eye washing, it reduces the tension and tiredness of eyes and improves the vision. Because I think due to this pandemic situation, we are all in front of our computer, mobiles, gadgets, and all, and our children are also doing the online classes and all. Fully, we are dependent in these gadgets only. So it will be affecting our power, eye vision, and all. So for the reducing all these issues, itching in the eyes, dryness in the eyes, and power issues, we should do daily eye wash and all. For that purpose also, you can use normal water. By getting up early in the morning, you can just wash your eyes with normal water, not hot water. You should just use normal water. And for the any problems, extra any problems are there, they can use Triphala also for the purpose of this eye wash. But if you are using any Ayurvedic medicines or whatever you are using, you should just consult your Ayurvedic doctor before the use of these products. Next is Nasyam. Nasyam means pouring oil drops in our nose. What are the benefits of Nasyam? By doing Nasyam, skin, shoulder, neck, face, chest, and all these organs will become firm and raised and good looking. Your mouth will be having pleasant smell. Voice and sense organs will be clear and efficient. And especially you will be devoid of wrinkles, gray hair, and black patches. These are the benefits of Nasyam. So when you should do Nasyam in the early morning only. While you are getting up from the bed, you can just take a good steam and all. And after that, you should lie in your bed and just pour some whatever it is, ghee, or if any medicines are prescribed by your doctors, you can use that. Pour two drops in your each nostril and pull it very well. After that, after 3 to 4 minutes, the mucus in your head, it will be coming into your neck and you can spit it out. This Nasyam will help in the many issues like migraine also, sinusitis also, heaviness of head is there. And for this daily problems also, means wrinkles in your skin, it is there. And with gray hairs also, many things are there. So for those problems also, you can use this Nasyam. This is Abhyanga. Abhyanga means applying oil in your body. It will help us to relax our body, and for also stress management and for the insomnia. For sleep related issues also, this Abhyanga is very useful. What are the benefits of Abhyanga? It decreases the Vata dosha in our body. It promotes sleep. It increases the growth and growth, strength, firmness of hair also. And it is also useful for the one who are suffering from pain, tiredness, debility, or if any numbness is there in your legs or in upper extremities, you can do Abhyanga with some special oils also. For normal, if you're having any coconut oil or til in your house, you can use this also. By doing this Abhyanga, you will get rid of these skin problems also, dryness in your skin or any pain in your body. These all things will be decreased by this doing proper Abhyanga. Oiling should be especially done to head, because it will help us to keep our head also cool, and for ear also, and for feet also. It is good for hair, skull, and sensory organs. And for ear, it relieves the pain in the lower jaw, neck, head, and ear. and in the feet, make them strong, promote sleep and vision, cures loss of sensation, tiredness, stiffness, and cracking of foot. This procedure, the Pada Abhyanga is very special because it helps us to get rid of insomnia, means sleep problems. One who are not getting sleep properly during night, they can do this process in the daily basis also. Pada, Shira, Sravana, and Sarva Deha Abhyanga has multiple good effects. Means applying the oil in our body, throughout the body, will help us to nourish the hair roots also, tones of muscles also, activate nervous system, and increases the skin tone also. Yes. What is the importance of Vyayama, exercise? By doing the exercise, it will make us lightness of the body, karma samathyam. It make us active during the day, and it increases the appetite also. And for reducing the body fat also, this Vyayama is very good. Yes, Surya Namaskara is one of the best yoga practice. If we are practicing this Surya Namaskara in the daily basis, mostly 70% diseases can be prevented by doing this. Because if you are having any stomach related issues, constipation, gas problem, or any hormonal issues, PCOD, or any menses related issues for ladies, and if any obesity is there, for all these things you can practice daily Surya Namaskara. If you are not having any lower back problem, you can practice this Surya Namaskara in the daily basis. This is the main point. The sedentary lifestyle leads to obesity, heart diseases, cardiovascular, and diabetes mellitus, etc. So, two things are there. One thing already we have, you people are doing in the Brainciti. You are doing that yoga, warm up, and all exercise. It should be done in the morning hours. And after that, second thing is, if you are having doing the sitting work job, you should sit for 20 to 25 minutes, maximum 30 minutes. And after that, just you get up from your seat and just move around, or you can do some sort of just body movements, or just do a walk for 1 minute and come and sit back. Because in the IT field and all, they are getting many problems with this continuous sitting and all. They are almost facing difficulties, diseases by the 6 to 7 years after getting the job. They are facing some issues due to this continuous sitting. So it should be uh, you should make your mind also set for, after doing a work of 30 minutes, you should get up from your seat. It will be good practice. Next is Udvartana. Udvartana means applying powders in your body for the reduction of fat. What are the benefits of Udvartana? It decreases the kapha, liquefies the fat, makes our body parts firm, and best for the health of our skin. Next point is Snana only with Koshna Jala. Means for our body, it's good if you're taking bath with the Koshna Jala. Koshna Jala means just a warm water. But for our head, if you are using hot water, it is not recommended. You should just go with normal water only. But for body, you can use just warm water. Ushna Jala Shirasnana is contraindicated as it harms the normalcy of hairs and eyes. So, Ushna Jala is ideal. Next is prayer and gratitude. It is already practicing in the Brainciti. Next is Ahara. Yes, Bhojana should not be cut to astringent, lavana, very hot, very spicy, because by this very spicy or salty foods, it will decreases the agni. So our Bhojana should be in a normal form, but we should use the six taste in our daily life. And half of the stomach should be filled with the food and quarter with the water, and 1/4 part should be in a rest position. Yes, while taking ahara, you should, if you're having any habit of taking water, if you're taking a small quantity, then it's okay. Otherwise, before 45 minutes or 1 hour only, you should take water. And after the 1.5 hour after taking the food, you can take water. And gap should be there between two meals. Generally, nowadays, all people are doing like that. They are taking 10 o'clock breakfast, and 11:30 again they are taking something, and again 12:30 they are taking something. If you are doing like this, it will be getting so many digestive issues and all. So you should be you should give the timings for the each and every food. And ideal timings for the breakfast is 7:30 to 9 o'clock, and for lunch 12 to 2, and for dinner it is better if you are completing the dinner by 6:30. Next topic is Viruddha Ahara, incompatible food. This Viruddha Ahara is the foods which should not be mixed up and should not be taken. What it happens, if you are taking Viruddha Ahara in a daily basis, it will produce boils in your body or swelling, toxicity, abscess, tumors, TB, etc. For Viruddha Ahara, examples are, if you are adding salt with milk, it is a Viruddha combination. You should not take it like that, because it will produce so many diseases, so many skin diseases and all. And meat, again with honey, good, jaggery, till, sesame seeds, milk, urad dal, radish, and sprouts. These combinations should not be done. Milk with gooseberry, Indian gooseberry, and milk with the mooli, radish, leafy vegetables, etc. And hing, honey. Hing means asafoetida plus honey and milk. Meat plus curd also, combination should not be taken. Leafy vegetables with butter, honey plus ghee. Generally, Ayurvedic doctors also suggest the combination of some medicines with honey and ghee, but it should be in different proportions, not in a same proportion. And again, one more thing is immersing cold water, soon exposure to sunlight. Generally, all are doing like that. If they are coming from a hot environment, suddenly they will prefer some fridge water, ice water, or putting fan or AC immediately. It will also create health issues, create skin diseases in human beings. It should be also not a good practice. This Viruddha Ahara increases the doshas, but do not expel out from the body. And Ashta Maharogas, by in taking Viruddha Aharas in the daily basis, it will create the Ashta Maharogas. Which are the Ashta Maharogas? Vata Rogas. In Vata Rogas also many diseases are there. In Ashmari, Ashmari means with stones and all, means kidney stones, gallbladder stones, etc. Next is Kushta, skin diseases. Next is Udara. Udara means if you are having the problem with the cirrhosis of liver, etc. Next is Bhagandara. Bhagandara means fistula in anu. And Meha, Prameha, that is diabetes. Arshas, piles, and Grahani, again with the stomach related diseases. Alkalic and acidic foods. This is also important thing, as alkalic food means if we are not making hot, making boil something, it is alkalic food. And acidic means whatever it is. It is if it is a vegetable or anything. It is if you are making it heat one time, it will become a acidic food. So if we are taking alkalic food more, it will be very beneficial for our health. Next is Amavisha. Amavisha means undigested food. Agni is normal. The end product of digestion will be prepared well, fit to be assimilated by the tissue. Agni is weak, food will not digest, and we will not get a good end product. That is, if the Agni is weak, then it will be very bad for our health. So if we want a normal good Agni, then we should be having a good practices in our daily life. That is, uh, gap should be there in our food. And again, that you should take your dinner in the early evenings also. It is a good practice. Foods that consumed in a daily basis. Ghee is also good. Ginger, turmeric, curry leaves, garlic, jeera, buttermilk. Buttermilk, again, it is a question mark, because in cold regions, if any are living in a cold regions, they can avoid this buttermilk also. And while taking buttermilk, you should take before the evening 5 o'clock. It is good for health. Food should not be used in the daily basis. Red meat, pickles, oil, papad, ice creams, fast foods, bakery products, toast, bread, biscuits, sweet foods, maida, white sugar, white rice, etc. should not be used in a day.
Excuse me. I think there's an internet glitch. We'll just wait for 2-3 minutes. 1 minute, 2-3 seconds. Hello, Deepa.
I think her network has lost.
Yeah. No worries.
Okay.
So who all are eating all these daily products? Our house, so all these items are there.
And everybody is fond of that papad, you know.
Yeah. Especially Kerala papad, no?
Yes, yes.
We will also take Sindhi papad, which is actually kind of roasting on the gas.
Yes,
That is
yes.
also bad. But Kerala papad, so papadam. Which at papad? Exactly. Yeah,
Pacha
I think
papad, pakka papad.
kacha papad, pakka papad. Yeah, she's back.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, go ahead, Deepa. We were entertaining.
Okay. I have completed my session.
Okay, no worries. So let us just quickly ask if people have any questions. I feel that we are aware of all these things, but the problem is to implement it in our life.
Yeah, it is a little bit difficult to implement all these things in our daily life.
Yeah. Yes. Any specific questions anybody has?
And I have a doubt.
Yeah. Go ahead, ma'am.
Could you please explain once more that the Gandusha and Kavalagraha?
Yeah, the oil pulling process. This Gandusha and Kavalagraha,
Yeah.
two processes are there. That is Gandusha. In Gandusha, if we are holding some liquids, oil or ghee, etc., in our mouth, just we are holding, that process is called as a gandusha. Means if you are holding some 10 ml oil or ghee, coconut oil, for example, coconut oil or ghee, etc., in our mouth, in our oral cavity, is that process is called as gandusha. And if we are holding this oil and doing just movement, a brisk movement inside the, gargling in our mouth, it is called as kavalagraha.
So for what purpose it is good, this oil and ghee gargling? Usually we are
It is.
salt water and all.
This salt water is mainly used for some throat related issues. If you are having any cold or any issues in your this throat, you can use that. But this oil or ghee gargling is for the for our oral cavity problems. Means if we don't want any ulcer or some any dental problems and all, and if you are having any bad breath and all, for all this we can do in our daily basis also.
No, this after gargling you have to spit it out.
After gargling you should spit it out only.
You should
not take inside.
Yeah. So while gargling, no need to dilute the oil or ghee.
No. You can do in two ways. You can do in directly also. If it is any medicated oils, then you can dilute it with water and you can use.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah. We discussed this in mastermind and I did it for a few days. It feels very refreshing and fresh. At least once in a week we can do. So you just Shilpa Shetty does it. She speaks about it in Instagram.
This one will do after the garg.
Yes, Jobimon.
Yeah, this one will do after the brushing or before the brushing. So because the oil will be in the part of the mouth, correct?
Yeah.
Sorry, this one we have to do it after the brushing or how it will be applied?
Yeah, after brushing only you can do that.
It should be in your mouth.
In the mouth. Okay, and what is this Danta Churna you told, which one to be used?
It is available. Many brands are producing this Dantadavana churnas. For example, Kottakal's Dashanakanti churnam is there. It is good. So many companies they are making this product. So you can buy whichever you want.
Okay.
Yeah, Gopi ma'am, Shiva Gopi ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. So it was a wonderful session, Deepa ma'am. Lots of insights about Ayurvedic. I have a doubt actually.
Yes.
Can you suggest some home remedies for this Vata, Pitta, Kapha and all?
Okay, thank you. But you can specify some if you are having any problem like that.
I think it is Pitta. I have some what to say. In what is we will say in Malayalam.
Hear you very lightly.
Okay.
And that yellowish water will come. No, that taste will.
Okay.
For that I'm asking.
Yeah, I got it. For that purpose, you can you should maintain a routine. First of all, second is your food should be in a normal, means in a correct break also. Third thing is you can use that dhania coriander seeds. Okay. You just boil 2 to 3 glasses of water with 1/4 teaspoon of coriander seeds. And if you are using this water, you should not drink in a very hot and all. You should drink it normally in normal temperature. It will be helping you to decrease the pitta disorders.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, welcome.
Yes, Ruben. Quickly, last question.
Ma'am, do you suggest any particular oil to mix with the ghee and goggle? Is there anything specific?
Sorry, for mixing with tea.
No.
You're
Ghee and
asking
oil.
for garlic. Okay. No. If you want to do, you can do it with just normal desi ghee, or if you want to do with the oil, you can go for the this one coconut oil. And
Okay.
if you want to any issues are there, means mouth ulcer and all, you can use that Ayurvedic product is Arimedadi Thailam. You can use that.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Welcome.
All right. So thank you, Deepa. Thank you so much. We will take this session little forward. If there are some internal questions, we will come back to you. And thank you and appreciate your time. Thank you very much for coming here. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Welcome. Okay.
Okay. So when I heard about the gargling for the first time, I was like we take the water, we fill your mouth with the water and we gargle. That is not the case. You just take 1 spoon and then just the saliva will get mixed with the oil and then you just start the process. So it's not that you take 1 bottle and you just gargle. Okay.
One doctor, one question, doctor, please.
Yeah.
Hello.
Sure.
Body massages we had to do once in a year or 6 months, just like that. We had a annual ritual to have a body massage. How it can be get it done? This
Body massage. Diwali
Yeah.
routine.
we call it.
Yeah, if you want to do body massage, you can just do in your house only with the normal oils or any recommended oils in house only, but you can do in the daily basis. If you are doing on yourself, no need of going to any hospitals and admitting for that is all no needed. You can do in the daily basis, not in the summer. Rest of the other seasons you can do in the daily basis. And after applying the oil for whole body, after half an hour, you can bath with the hot water or warm water.
Yes, that we are doing, but people are suggesting once in a year you have to go.
Yeah.